How to use Hedra AI. Want to turn images into talking avatars or create AI-powered videos? Hedra AI makes it simple, and here's a step-by-step guide to using Hedra AI. So start by visiting hedra.com, and then from here, go ahead and sign in to your account. Create an account or log in to access the dashboard. Hedra offers multiple tools: Composer for full videos, Character Tree for talking avatars, Motion Control for gestures, and Upscaling for better quality. So in here, go ahead and upload an image to start or start from a template. Hedra can animate faces, generate avatars, or build explainer videos. So in here, go ahead and select from their available tools. So for example, you want to create a motion avatar. So simply select this, and this will take you here. So in here, go ahead and describe the video that you want to generate with Hedra AI. Now you can add the start frame, so you can upload it manually from your local drive, take a photo, or get it from your library. You can also generate it using Hedra AI. So for example, the start frame would be this video. So simply select it, and then go ahead and describe your image. So you need to describe the motion that you want to incorporate with your image. Now you can go ahead and select the AI models that you want to use for generating the motion video. You can also select the aspect ratio of the video. And then once you're done entering all the required information, click on the send button to send your command and start generating videos with Hedra AI. And that's how to use Hedra AI.